Hey everyone, so today we are going to show you how to make a payment using InfinitePay.io. Whether you are paying a bill or sending money to a friend, InfinitePay.io makes it easy. So let's get started. First, log into your InfinitePay.io account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the payments or send money section. You can usually find this in the main dashboard or the top menu. Choose the payment method you want to use, whether it's your linked bank account or a credit card. Then enter the recipient's information such as their email address or phone number, enter the amount you want to pay and any additional details or notes. Double check everything to ensure accuracy. Review the payment details one last time. When you're ready, select send or pay to complete the transaction. Depending on the payment method and security settings, you may need to verify that transaction. Follow the prompts to confirm. And there you have it. You have successfully made a payment using InfinitePay.io. Whether it's for bills, shopping, or sending money to friends, InfinitePay.io simplifies the process. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.